Good morning, dear children. Today I'll teach you lesson 7 of MF. But before starting with the lesson, let me ask you some questions. Okay? So pay attention and listen carefully, children. You have to answer the questions also. Okay? Now, children, tell me how many toys do you have in your house? What will you say? You will say, ma'am, we have many toys. Yes? Yes, I know you all have lot of toys. Yes? Now children, tell me, do you take care of your toys or not? What will you say? Do you keep them dirty or do you keep them clean? Do you just throw them after playing with them? What do you do? Some of you will say, ma'am, we take care of our toys, and some others may not take care of their toys. Yes. Now, children, tell me, do you clean your room after playing and put all the toys back in the right places? What do you do? Do you clean your room after playing with the toys and do you put all the toys back at the right place? What do you do? Some of you will say, yes ma'am, we keep our room clean and we also put the toys back in the right places after playing with them. And I know there are some other children who don't keep their room clean and who don't keep the toys back at the right places. Yes? Now children, why I am telling you all this and why I am asking you these questions? Do you know why? So children, I'm asking you all this because the lesson which I'm going to teach you today is about toys. Okay? In this lesson, you will get to know a story about a girl and her toys. The name of the girl is Adya. Okay? So now again pay attention and look in the book. So let's start reading now. Adya had a room full of toys. Every Sunday, her parents would take her out and she would buy a toy of her choice. Her parents worked in a big company and both of them were very busy. They would leave for office in the morning and come back late in the evening. So, through this paragraph, what do we get to know, children? We get to know about a girl whose name is Adya. Adya had a room which was full of toys. It means there were a lot of toys in her room. Okay? Every Sunday, Adya's parents would take her out and she would buy a toy of her choice. It means every Sunday she got a new toy of her choice. Okay? Her parents worked in a big company. Where her parents worked? They worked in a big company. And because of that, they both were very busy. They were occupied all the time and they were very, very busy. They would leave for office in the morning. It means they went to the office in the morning and they came back late in the evening. It means the parents used to go to the office early in the morning and they came back late in the evening. So they were very, very busy all the time. Okay? Now see further. Adya would be with her grandparents the whole day. Why Adya used to be with the grandparents the whole day? Because her parents were very busy. Okay? Now see further. In the afternoon, when she came back from school, her grandmother would say, Adya, please change your clothes and have lunch. The food is getting cold. But Adya would be busy playing with the new toy which had come that week. Now, when Adya came back home from school in the afternoon, her grandmother would say to her, Adya, please change your clothes. It means, Adya, please change your school uniform and have lunch. The food is getting cold. But what Adya would do? Adya would be busy playing with the new toy which she got that week. It means which she got on that Sunday. Okay, the recent Sunday. She used to be busy playing with the new toy which she got on the recent Sunday. Okay. She did not care about the old toys, even the one which had come the previous week. Now Adya did not care about her old toys, even the one which had come the previous week. It means the week before this week. Okay? So she forgot about her old toys and she did not care about her old toys. Okay? See further. She would scatter them here and there in the room. She would never put back the toys neatly on the shelf as her grandparents wanted. Now Adya used to scatter her toys everywhere in the room. It means वो अपने toys room में फैला के रखती थी. वो अपने toys को अच्छे से नहीं रखती थी. Okay? Now after playing with the toys, she never put the toys back on the shelf. Okay, and her grandparents wanted her to put the toys back on the shelf. But what Adya did? Adya never used to put the toys back on the shelf. Okay. Now see further, children. Adya's grandmother was so fond of her that she would wait for her to come home from school and make fresh roti for her. Adya's grandmother loved her very much and she always used to wait for her to come back home from school and she made hot and fresh rotis for her. It means उसकी grandmother उसके लिए hot और fresh rotis बनाती थी जब वो school से घर आती थी. Okay? Her grandfather also loved her. Adya's grandfather also loved her very much. He would not have his lunch until Adya came back from school and had lunch with him. Now Adya's grandfather also loved her very much and that's why he used to wait for Adya to come back home so that he can have lunch with her. Okay? Now one day what happened? One day Adya came back home from school and she went straight to her room. Now when she went to her room, she was surprised to see the toys talking to each other. Okay? So children, what talk the toys were having with each other, this you will get to know in the next class. For today, we are going to do this much only. Okay, I hope you have understood this much nicely. Thank you.